Hello Beauty Addicts and welcome back to my channel. Today for the first time ever I have teamed up with Fab Fit Fun and they sent me a box, their winter box. Isn't it cute? Just look at how cute this is, you guys. It's adorable. But more adorable than that, it's what's inside and I know you want to know, so stay tuned and watch. So I can't wait to get inside and show you guys all the beautiful things. Let's open it. And ooh, right off the bat we have a magazine from them. And I'm sure that it's full of information, but not right now. Okay, ooh, this is a sample of that purple mattress. Oh, that feels squishy. Also, what else? What is this? Pass this on to a friend. Ooh. They've also given me a coupon to give my friends. Check it out. That's the code. Get yourself one. We have a $90 coupon for HelloFresh. They've also sent me a gift card with $30 on it for Sterling Forever. And now, let's get to the box. Ooh, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, this is so perfectly packed. Hold on. Look at that. Guys, look at everything that's in this box. Can you believe it? This is amazing. Oh my God, I can't wait to share with you guys. First things first. Ooh. Guess what? You'll be naked in a minute. This is a coffee scrub from Frank Body. I've always wanted a coffee scrub and never bought it. So then here's my chance to try it now. How to use. Get naked. Scrub it all over the body. And use 2 to 3 times a week. You guys, I think that's pretty easy. And there is a lot in this product. Next, we're going to look at this beautiful necklace that I received. It's from Adore. And it's adorable. There's a beautiful bracelet and so Adore jewelry, I believe it has something to do with Swarovski crystals. There it goes. They're for somehow, oh, it's right there. And it has a Swarovski crystal right there. You can't see it on camera, but you have to believe me. So beautiful. I also received a palette from the Beauty Bakery. And let me open it so you guys can see it. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. The proof is in the pudding. And, oh, wow. Look at this. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at how gorgeous. I also received this awesome hand and body wash from Cushio, I think is how it's pronounced. I don't know. Please forgive me. But it's yoga and it has Epsom salt in it and you can use it for either your hands or your body. That's completely up to you, but I gotta smell it right now. Oh, I love that. I love it. I do. I also received from Art & Co. television ready shampoo and conditioner, and I've heard these are amazing, so I can't wait to try them. Always a must-have is a mask, and this one is from Enzo Laszlo. I love the products for this company. Oh, I haven't, let me smell it. Oh my God, it smells so good, you guys. And this is a purify, balance, control, and detox mask, and I need to do all of those things. Next, I received Pep Rally, which is a prime and prep detangler for your hair, and it's from the Dry Bar. And this is amazing because I have straight hair, and straight hair tangles so easy. And last but definitely not least is the makeup eraser. Now I already have one of these in black, but I'm so happy to get the original. And the makeup eraser, for those of you that don't know, it's like a little it's a little towel, but let me see, hold on. The makeup eraser is a cloth that you use to remove your makeup. You can add like face wash to it, or you can use it alone just by wetting it and then rubbing it on your face, and it removes the makeup. And it claims to be antibacterial, reusable, and it lasts for 3 to 5 years. I have the black one and it's really good, but I tend to forget to use it. But now that I have the pink one, the original, I'm gonna give it a try again. So the Fab Fit Fun box is a quarterly subscription box with 8 to 10 full-size premium products. So my box brought 8 products, and these products are amazing. Also, you get to customize the box a little bit every month, so you get to pick 1 or 2 products in it. I think Fab Fit Fun is great for a gift, or is great for you to give to yourself. You always forget about you, and this is a great way to remember about you. I love my Fab Fit Fun box this month. It's a great box that they picked for me, and I know that I'm going to buy it in the future, especially because it's such a great value. It's $49 for 8 to 10 full-size premium products. And I'm going to repeat that. Full-size premium products, because there's a lot of subscription boxes, but not all of them have premium products in it. Okay? Anyways, check it out. I'm going to link it below, and tell me what you think about my box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, comment down below what you loved about the box, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.